तेलंगाना की गवर्नर तमिलिसाई सुंदरराजन ने असेंबली में दोनों ऐवानों के मुश्तरका इजलास से खिताब करते हुए वाज़ेह किया कि तेलंगाना हुकूमत फलाही प्रोग्रामों को बहुत ज्यादा अहमियत दे रही है और तरक्की में सबसे आगे है। उन्होंने अंग्रेजी जबान में अपनी पूरी तकरीर करते हुए तेलुगु में सबको सलाम कहा। उन्होंने मजीद कहा कि हुकूमत तमाम खित्तों की आवाम की तरक्की के लिए पुरअज़्म है। रियासत में सनतकारी के जरिए रोजगार के मौके में इजाफा हुआ है। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर आला केसीआर की सरबराही में तेलंगाना हुकूमत फलाही प्रोग्रामों पर बहुत जोर दे रही है। रियासत तमाम शोबों में आगे बढ़ रही है। उन्होंने मजीद कहा कि तरक्की का दूसरा नाम तेलंगाना है। तेलंगाना ने कई संगे मील उबूर किए हैं। गवर्नर ने आगे कहा कि 6.5 साल की सोच के सबब तेलंगाना आज तेजी से तरक्की की सिमत गामजन है। वसाइल के मुनासिब इस्तेमाल की वजह से रियासत दीगर रियासतों के मुकाबले में काफी तरक्की कर रही है। उन्होंने कहा कि साल 2013-14 में तेलंगाना में फी कस आमदनी 1,12,162 रुपए थी, लेकिन साल 2019-20 तक फी कस आमदनी दुगनी से ज्यादा होकर 2,28,216 रुपए हो गई है। उन्होंने कहा कि हुकूमत की जानिब से माली इंतजाम में नज़्म ज़ब्त की पैरवी की जा रही है। गवर्नर ने कहा कि कोविड की वजह से बहुत सी रियासतों को मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ा। तेलंगाना ने इस अरसे में सिर्फ सोच समझ कर आगे बढ़ा है। कोरोना का मुकाबला करने के लिए मुतादिद इक़दामात किए गए। कोरोना वैक्सीन का अमल कामयाबी के साथ जारी है।
By UNO reflects the state's progress. The remnants, the achievements from 2014 June 2 till today, we will be left astonished if we recollect the awful memories of distress prior to the formation of the new state. Even now, those memories will pain us. Then there was backwardness in all sectors, unrest in all sections of community, disturbance in all regions, darkness everywhere, and was a zigzag puzzle. From these dire straits, Telangana state reached to stage of optimism is not a miracle that happened in overnight. Behind this victory lie thousands of hours of brainstorming and endeavoring for 6.5 years. Telangana, which was subjected to all sorts of discrimination and destruction, is now marching and progressing ahead tremendously in all sectors. Success in power sector. In the power sector, the Telangana state had achieved marvelous success to the surprise of the entire nation. In the erstwhile united AP rule, the people of Telangana suffered a lot due to the power cuts and crop holidays. The industrial production too suffered badly due to power holidays. That was why people desired for a separate state so that they could overcome the situation. The then rulers threatened that the state would plunge into utter darkness. Proving all their forecasts as false, my government transformed the state into an illuminous one. Government of India complimented my government's success in power front for supplying uninterrupted quality power without any power cuts in spite of marked increase in the number of power connections, per capita consumption and maximum peak demand. This scheme has become a torchbearer for the entire country to follow and emulate. This is a matter for all of us should feel proud of. The Central Jal Shakti Mission has declared that Telangana state is the one and only state in the country which is providing safe and pure drinking water through pipes to all the households, schools, Anganwadi centers. This is a befitting recognition to the state government's efforts. Through Mission Bhagiratha scheme, safe drinking water is supplied to all remote villages, tribal tandas and Adivasi Gudams. Prior to 2014, drinking water supply was provided, that too partially, to just 5,672 habitations. Now, protected drinking water is supplied to 24,543 habitations to every household every day through pipes and taps. On the whole, there are 57 lakhs 26,804 household tap connections, 65 intake wells, 109 water treatment plants, 1,49,905 kilometers long pipelines, and 13,901 service crossings were constructed as part of this mega scheme. 87,412 connections were given to the Anganwadis, schools, Raitu Vedikas, and Vaikunda Dhamams. Prior to 2014, there were only 17,769 overhead service reservoirs, and with new construction of 19,233 reservoirs, the number increased to 37,002. State to Parliament declared that Telangana state was one of the few states that could recover economically faster from the financial crisis created by the COVID-19 pandemic. All the frontline workers toiled courageously and momentously in saving the state from coronavirus. Today, the state is safe due to the tireless and continuous services rendered by the medical and police personnel as well as the sanitation workers. I convey my hearty compliments to all those. Corona vaccination. The coronavirus created doldrums in the entire world. My government had adopted effective steps to prevent the spread of dreaded coronavirus by providing free medical treatment to the corona affected. It saved precious lives of many. The entire country recorded 1.4% average deaths due to corona, while the state it is 0.54%. The percent of the people who recovered from corona all over the country is 97.2%, and it is 98.88% in Telangana state. Country's economic survey report stated that the Telangana state stood top most in the country as far as curtailing the spread of corona pandemic, deaths due to the virus, fast economic recovery from the pandemic, and for conducting a greater number of tests.